To get to $100,000 in federal government contracts, that could be one opportunity, it could be 10 opportunities. Before you start to count everything and figure out the math, let me break down how you're able to do this quickly. You must be registered in SAM.gov in order to receive a prime contract. That is the go-to place. There's a gentleman who I'm mentoring, and in less than 3 months, he has made over about $500,000, which is amazing. That is tremendous. He didn't have a background in government contracting. If you're concerned about a possible recession, this is the place for you. So in addition to being registered in SAM.gov, next thing is understanding the different levels of opportunity. Low risk. Anything that's LR, meaning it's lowest cost technically acceptable. So these are the type of opportunities that you are seeking. For these lower level, kind of low risk areas, one of the ways to look at this is you're going to go into SAM.gov, and when you search, you're going to look at different NAICS codes. So you can look at NAICS code around admin staffing. You can look at things around fencing and floor repair and carpet. I highly suggest you stay away from janitorial, but you're wanting to go after these opportunities where, hey, not going to be a big issue when it comes to past performance. So it's very doable. The way to get in there quickly is low risk areas. Yes, staffing and admin is low risk because typically the type of person you'll put in a position, they just have very entry level skills and they just need somebody to do the job. Then you also have kind of these medium risk areas, and those are areas where they may ask for past performance. You may have to put money up front. And as time goes on, those are great opportunities to pivot into, to partner with companies. But the bottom line is you want to hone in on those LR areas. Here's what I put back to you, especially those who are interested in products or interested in middleman. Typically, you may have to front the money. You can sell any products you want. If you go on Unison Marketplace, you'll come across a ton of different products, and I will share their website with you. In order to view everything on Unison, you must be a registered vendor. What you may want to do is start with a smaller quantity and use NAICS under electronics. And also what I like to do, this is just a, get good kizzy strategy, is I'll go into SAM.gov and I'll type in as a set aside small business, because probably everyone watching, you're probably considered a small business. I'll select solicitation. This is all under advanced search, and I'll click combine solicitation, and I'll just peruse what comes up, and I'll just scroll. So I like to do that to get an idea of what's kind of out there, which NAICS codes are they using. For instance, I got a contract about cameras today. I haven't opened it, but hey, why not? I can make money on cameras. I don't even know what kind of cameras they are. Another way you can quickly get to 150, you find businesses who are in SAM, who may need your products or your services. And you may wonder, well, where in the heck do I find these people? One of the ways is you can go on LinkedIn to look up small businesses. It's a great place to go. My favorite is what I just shared with you right now. It's the dynamic small business search. You can drill down by state, by set aside. You can drill down by economically disadvantaged, hub zone, NAICS code, and you can really tailor to see, hey, is this somebody I may want to partner with? Do they need something that I offer? For what I'm about to share with you, this is major, y'all, for planting seeds and networking. When you get the contact information on Unison, that's someone to contact. When we start getting up into the, hey, it's a $200 billion contract for cybersecurity, right? That's hard. If it's, it's a contract for 100 people, that's higher risk, right? And so to really get in, to quickly get that 150, which adds past performance and boosts your confidence, it adds to just you as an entrepreneur. There's millions of companies out there, especially women-owned. Less than 5% reach 1 million. So how many do you think even reach 100,000 a year, y'all? Not many. Just to kind of recap, to quickly get to 150, meaning this is something, once you're in SAM, you have your cage code, you can get to this in a few months. And I'm not saying this is not some BS, this is not some snake oil. This is none of that. This is based on personal experience and the experience of those who I mentor. You get in, you focus on the low risk area, the areas where they have an urgent need. We need a fence, we need painting, we need something transported, we need somebody. I'm bidding on this grant manager. I think it's called a grant manager position. That's low risk. When I first started in this space almost 15 years ago, I know y'all, I'm 14, don't get me wrong. My contract was for a little less than 100,000 because I didn't know how to negotiate. And I don't want you to go through any of these things. So what I share with you comes from my heart. It comes from, I know this because I'm living it. I have 3 government contracting companies. Not only have I been awarded, well over 50 million, I've helped students in less than 6 months get over 3 million in contracts. You will be able to do things, submit proposals, find, bid, and win quicker when you have a strategy. GovConWinners.com. Please join my Facebook group. Take care. Everything is possible. Don't ever forget that.